Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today, we are going to discuss the 19th chapter, Our Friends Animals. In this chapter, you will learn about what are farm, pet, and wild animals, how animals useful for us, how are their eating habits, interdependence of living beings. We know all animals and birds are living beings like humans. All animals and birds need food, water, air, shelter, and sunlight to live. We know there are different kinds of animals. Some are big, some are small. Some animals live with us or in farms, whereas some live in forest. Some animals live in jungle and forest, and they are called wild animals. So what we call the animals live in jungle and forest? Yes, wild animals. And give me some examples. Yes, the lion, tiger, deer, zebra, giraffe, elephants. These are some examples of wild animals. We can see these animals in a zoo also. And some animals live with us or on farms. They are called domestic animals. So, domestic animals include both farm animals and pet animals. Let's check which are farm animals. Yes, we can see here cow, goat, horse, camels, hens, donkey, buffaloes. These are some examples of farm animals. And why do we keep these animals? Do you know? Yes, we keep these animals because they help us in different ways. So we keep these animals in farms. How do these animals help us? Some animals gives us milk and some others gives us eggs, wool, meat, and some carry things for us and some guard our house. So all these animals help us in different ways. So we keep these animals in farms. And next one is pet animals. Pet animals also include in domestic animals. These animals live in our homes like our family members. They are called pet animals. You know some examples: cat, dog, fish, parrots, and some other birds. These are some examples of pet animals. We love these animals like our family members. Some animals help us in different ways. Now let's look into the different uses of animals. We know animals are very useful for us. We get many things from animals. We get milk from cow, goat, buffalo, etc. The meat of some animals are eaten. For example, hen, duck, goat, etc. Eggs of some birds like hen, duck are eaten. Bullocks are very useful for agricultural purpose. They are used for plowing the field and threshing the crops. Few animals are used for carrying people or goods from one place to another place. Bullocks, horse, camel, donkey are some examples. Camel drove camel carts, bullock drove bullock carts. And camels are used to carry passengers in desert places. So camels are called the sheep of desert. And do you know, children, which is our national animal? Yes, tiger. Tiger is our national animal. And which animal is known as the king of jungle? Yes, lion. Lion is known as the king of jungle. And do you know which is the largest land animal? Yes, it is elephant. And which is the tallest land animal? Yes, it is giraffe. Let's learn some other uses of animals. Honeybees gives us honey and wax. Honey is used as medicine and wax is used to make candles. We get wool and silk from animals. Wool is obtained from fur of animals like sheep, goat, etc. And silk is obtained from silkworms. We keep dogs to keep our house or to guard our house. So, different animals help us in different ways. All living beings depends upon each other in different ways. So, we should not harm any animals without any reason. If any animal get hurt, what should we do? We should take it to a veterinary doctor for its treatment. Because like us, animals also feel pain. And we know every living organism on earth needs some basic things to survive, like food, water, shelter, etc. Animals are living things, so they need to eat food. We classify animals into 3 categories according to food they eat. And they are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores eat plants only. They eat different parts of plants such as leaves, roots and fruits. Herbivores have a special teeth to help them to cut and chew plants. Deer, cow, goat, horse, rabbit are some examples of herbivores. Carnivores. Some animals eat flesh of other animals. They kill small animals to eat. Lion, eagle, wolf, tiger, etc. are some examples. They have sharp teeth and excellent eyesight to catch the prey. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Bear, crow, cat, dog, etc. are some examples of omnivores. So today we learned what are farm, pet and wild animals, how some animals help us, different eating habits of animals, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. So I hope all of you understood. We will see again in the next class. Thank you.